Okay, for the first method, go to the search bar, type settings. In the left sidebar, go to Windows Update and make sure you have the latest updates. So click on check updates. After that, click on download and install. Now for the second method, go to accounts, scroll down. After that, go to email and accounts and make sure you have already linked your Microsoft account with your Windows. So in order to do that, go to accounts used by other apps, select add a Microsoft account and go ahead and sign in with your correct credentials. Now for the next method, go to the search, type activation, select activation settings. Now if you have the error still occurs, you will find the troubleshoot button right here. So make sure to click it and then proceed with the steps. Sometimes error happens when you upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 and it might be a hardware change too. For the next method, click on upgrade your edition of Windows. After that, click on change product key. You can do it for free. You don't need to pay for another product key. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that explains how to do it, so you can try this as the last step. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.